Negasngi umontri rengba kejela u Conrad sangma dawan wai u yaki Collective Marketing Center CMC hathat muthlong yong ka senrop lang VO ha changpung po chnong yong ka changpung Farmers Union wa ka prime hub halasken we dawan chimbentau le ha ka Lakadong Festival ko wa arsngi ko bada sedang nado nin gesngi hamadan pamsna lasken hey em lang u MLA gamu ka yaw unu jorki sungo wo MLA garaliang u coming one mbon hagani gesngi dawan pai le yaki kor wo a we wo teliat ya us in cermin wa ka kor wo thau ya ka korkumen konten u cermin nama hado kat wan baha u cermin unu jorki sungo hawe ye kelam de hubleu ya u Conrad sangma wadawan ra u cibon ki kampen roy ha ka thain dong ule wa ki bruto us ngau tri ki yaki skim wada yo naga sarkar dei waong hawa pediang yaki emkam wo man ki wakre chitom ha ki wan kiliang u Conrad sangma hawa ye kelam dong u wagani commission to ko wada sedang sosnem na chwa wo penku ya ipen mi ya u cermil Lakadong dong u wana chwa yaki saheb de pha wo sam ya do arton usembe tangwam to ukut idu hete he wada emkam wo pentikna waku iyo ila ki warem dewe isikai yaki haki bon rukom weda sedang no ya commission Lakadong he yato wa ikor kumen da ongu wana chwa da ji usai ya ikor kumen na us in cermin dewa pha cha Kolkata iwa chimpor hado chipau sngi tang wakat ni de yi ule pen he ni hapo chipau minit dan hi da ongu wa emkam uminot wo kre we wo em ye kre lang chirup khnang yo yi upoi cha kathong he wa ka sarkar daw e ko ikerchan wa pura hagani gesngi da bu le yaki dukan wada yaki tiar yong ki SSG ki VO wa ki VKV we da sam le yaki khusnam chaki wa job ha yakop wa pher yong gani galempung ye kentin pdiang sngaw bha de yo now deputy commissioner ko West Jainthal district u garot LSN dait ki kentin lamprang na u commissioner and secretary kachnat agriculture u Dr VJ Kumardi wa ki kentin khublei na u director ka horticulture u LCH Marang
9.36.
You're lucky for the turmeric.
Yeah.
And
It's a rarity.
You should get an award.
No, he just saved it as CM curcumin, CMC. So this is under my name now.
9.36, so you can have your receipt.
Wow. 9.36 curcumin. So this is
Sir,
a machine that's been given by Spice Board, and we can test the curcumin percentage in the turmeric powder right here, sitting in this center of excellence.
To get this done, you would have to
Send the sample.
to Calcutta.
It would take
a week or
weeks.
10 days.
It would take weeks, and now it can be done in a matter of minutes. horticulture department starts working, the officers are told, distribute 1 ton of Lakadong seeds, or distribute 2 tons of ginger seeds. And that is a target given to them, and they complete the target. But then we don't realize that is not the target. The target is not to distribute seeds. Seed distribution is only a step towards achieving the target, which is to increase the income of the farmers, which is to increase the productivity, which is to train the farmers. And in the last 4 years, I've realized that scheme-based approach, though there's nothing wrong with it, it's all the question of the mindset. The target given to you and the department, and the goal given to the department could have been shifted and given a much broader goal, which is farmer welfare, which is increasing production, which is increasing income. I remember talking to the irrigation department people and asking them, how do you measure your success? And the officials of the engineering and the irrigation department told me, with the number of kilometers of canals that we construct, because that's the target given to them. I said, no. The success of your department will be based on how much production has gone up because of the canals that you have made. So the canal construction in itself is not the end. It is only the means towards the end. So therefore, we realize that Lakadong requires a mission mode approach. Departments come, they have a fair, they distribute seeds, the farmer is happy, they go away, we go away, and everything ends. Just like the Honorable MLA was mentioning. But we need to realize that there is a larger goal and a target. And that's why this mission mode program. And that's why we looked at the entire value chain. It starts with giving the seeds to the farmers, training them of how to take care of the product, helping them in processing, helping them in packaging, helping them in marketing. It is all these steps that matter for a farmer. And the government's job is to ensure that we see the entire spectrum and help the farmer all the way. That is what a mission mode program is all about. I have set a target for our state that when we celebrate our Diamond Jubilee, that is 60 years, we should be among the top 10 states in the country. That means the per capita GSDP should be among the top 10 states in the country. And that doesn't happen just because I say it should happen. It happens because we have a target. It happens because we have a plan to achieve the target. It happens because we have a mission to achieve that target. And that is why today, the GSDP of the state, the primary sector, which is the agriculture sector, adds 22% to the GSDP. 70% of our population is dependent on agriculture. Now, just by distributing seeds, if we expect that we're going to increase that contribution to the GSDP, it's not going to happen. Just by ensuring that we have one fair and one training program, that the income of the farmers will go up, it will not happen. My target here is to ensure that we double, triple the income of the farmers, and that we can only do by having this mission mode program.